Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very nice day on this one, so much so that I'm going to do a little house cleaning here and go ahead and get rid of a couple of these lines. Sure, these levels pertain. They're just not necessarily relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, and not wanting to risk, causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere, let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. So the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And $4.20 is now going to be that newest level, where what I would call the ideal level. When you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Ideally speaking, if the price could now stay above $4.20, that would be a fantastic sign of strength. Now, if the price drops below there, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power. Now, taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying above $4.20 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as the areas of resistance are concerned, key level to watch now is going to be right up there at $4.80. Nothing fancy or complicated behind that logic other than the fact that that's just simply where the party and momentum stopped today, right up at that area. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that. But all in all, any angle you look at things, as long as the price putting in those higher highs and higher lows, that is what matters most. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.